I'm Christina with The Turned Leg. I love to salvage, repurpose, and create and help others to do the same. The weather is getting cold here in Michigan. As you can tell, I'm wearing a wool fleece shirt. So that means that my outdoor garage workspace area is coming inside. The good news is DIY paint that I use, all no VOCs, all the products I use, so it's not a problem to bring everything indoors and not have to worry about the fumes. If you have an outdoor garage workspace area and your weather's getting cold, I'm going to show you some things that I do, and hopefully it'll inspire you to clean up those outdoor workspaces and get them ready so you can continue crafting and working all winter long. This workspace has served me well. I have not done a clean out in a while, and I've just been working on projects. So very first thing to do is to clean out the stuff and reorganize it. Things like bikes we're not going to be needing, so they're going to be moved to the back. Furniture pieces that I might want to work on are going to go to the front, but first step is to get it all moved out. I don't know if you can tell, but my garage is super tiny. That means that since this is my only space, I have all the normal garage stuff and my workspace all in one. As I'm moving things out, I'm putting them into piles, grouping like things together. I make a pile of smaller items that I'm going to move into my basement workshop that I'll be able to paint in the winter months. That way I don't have to come outside to grab them. I also make another pile of items to take to the shop. I have all of these salvage pieces that are not doing me any good sitting in my garage. I'm going to put them in my project shop booth so someone can use them for their projects. All of the furniture that I haul out, I make sure to dust off real good. You don't need spider eggs come spring that turn into little spiders. I also inventory all the repairs that I need to do on my larger pieces. In the wintertime, it's not very easy to sand an entire top piece of furniture or to glue a large piece. So I try to do as much as I can now to make it easier to work on furniture all winter long. The top of this little table needs to be completely sanded down, and this desk, so I can refinish them. I also take inventory of the pieces I have in my garage. This piece has way too many screws to be a viable end table anymore. I will use parts for salvage. Remember that large carryout cabinet in my garage? I got it painted with Sweet Pickins milk paint in patina, and I'm now using it as my Sweet Pickins display in my booth at Plaza Antiques and Collectibles Mall. The big pieces, if you have time, put in a little effort to get them done so you have more room in your garage for the winter. Usually during clean out, I find a few treasures. I forgot I had this full-size Jenny Lind bed. In the back of my garage, I've used an old file cabinet turned on its side with the drawers removed. I love using this for wood storage. Great way to salvage, repurpose, create, and use what you got. It's also important that I pull out all my winter items like shovels and sleds, so we have those handy for the winter months. If you have anything plugged in, you want to unplug it. And if you have any of these lithium batteries, bring them indoors to make them last longer. One thing you do want to plug in, I love this mouse ultrasonic repeller. You just plug it in and you don't have to worry about mice. Do check the brand that you're purchasing if you have small dogs, because it could affect them. To discourage mice, I also remove all of my drop cloths and any material or fabric like aprons I have in the garage and bring them indoors. The next place I tackle are my tools. All of my outdoor tools will be coming in so they don't get rusty. It's also a great opportunity to get things organized so that I can find them. Since my garage is not insulated, spray paint and stains also come in. Garage cleanup time is a great time to finish projects. I've had this compound miter saw that I've been wanting to attach to my shop vac forever. I've had all the parts, but I haven't had a chance to do it. This was the perfect time. It'll also reduce all of the dust and debris in my garage over the winter. I didn't get all my big projects complete. I still need to sand both of these pieces, but I'm making sure they're right in the front of my garage, so on the next warm day I can pull them out and finish them. Everything in the garage has been cleaned up and reorganized. The stuff I don't need is in the back of the garage, like bikes. Easy to grab projects are in the front, and they're prepped and ready, and they should be a lot easier to grab and paint as needed. I also have brought in everything that would rust or would not survive and do well in my garage, so it's now all down in my basement. And my garage is much more organized than it was. Hopefully this will make everything easier to work on in the winter months. Thank you so much for watching. My garage is all organized and cleaned out. Hopefully I've given you some ideas on how to continue crafting all winter long. Maybe one of these years I will insulate my garage or put in a heater. I'm curious to know what you do. If you have insulated, or if you have a heater, or if you just stop working entirely for the winter months, please comment below. I also want to let you know this project did take me a weekend to complete and then like another evening. So it wasn't all done in one day. Full disclosure. Good things take a little extra effort, but now I'm totally prepared and excited that I can keep crafting all winter long. Please make sure to subscribe for my channel, and if you like this video, give it a like. It helps me to grow my channel and continue to help others salvage, repurpose, and create.